Hi friends, this is Kishore. Welcome back to my channel. Let's see how the market performed in this week, and I would like to go some of the earnings. Let's jump to the show. So this is a weekly sector performance for the sectors, all the sectors, especially this week. XLC and XLY were drawdown big time, and utilities, energy, financials, healthcare, they all went up. That's a very good sign. I mean, looks like some kind of sector rotation. And this is a heat map of this week. It is clearly shows the money is moving from the communication services to the banks and the healthcare and some of the energy sector also. And the CNN Fear and Greed Index still it is pointing to the extreme greed. It is more than a month. It is an extreme greed sentiment. And today is the OPEX day, so 2.4 trillion worth of options are expired. That's the reason today's volume, even it is more. So we may consider how to take any decision on the based on the volume and the candle. And this is the banks earnings last week. This week, a lot of banks are posted their earnings, and most of them are down on their investment banking. I'd like to make a video on this bank earnings maybe next week or in the August first week. And this is credit card loans at big US banks. So it shows like a huge credit card loans are taking in all the major banks. And this is three phases of bear markets. How the bear market works? It's a looks like we are at here. This is shared by one of the member in the Twitter. I did not remember the name, but looks like it is here. But I'm not saying all the stocks goes down or all the stocks are goes up, but just keep it in mind this chart. And this is the sticky price consumer price index. As we all hear, like inflation is going down, but there may be chance of going up like 1970. One of the reason I can think of is crude oil. Whenever the crude oil is recently price is going down below 66 or 67, immediately OPEC or someone is cutting the production cuts, and again the crude oil price is going up. So crude oil is one of the major commodity to rise or get down the inflation. And this is weak seasonality. So the red one is the current year. So weak seasonality, this after first half of year, the VIX is going up in the second half of year, so be cautious on this market. And this is SPY. It's a SPY daily chart. So as per our analysis, last week analysis, like the 452 or 455 is the main point. I see it went up to 456.54. So right now I see 2 days back it's a spinning top. So the candle is spinning top with a good volume, not a great volume. It's a good volume. It's a spinning top. After that, as Thursday and Friday, we can see the very bearish engulfing candles. So, and today the inside candle, and today volume is high. As I said earlier, today's volume I do not consider because as there are a lot of options are expiring. But looks like if it goes below 450, then it can easily can go to the 446 or 443. I'll tell you why I'm thinking it can go up to 443 as at least the first target. And this is a SPY weekly chart. So in the Bollinger Bands, it's rejected at in the like a shooting star. And also, if you see here, lower band of the Bollinger Bands is going down. So why I'm giving importance to the Bollinger Bands, upper band and the lower band? Because it considers the options volatility also. So it says like a lot of options are opening on the downside. And this is number of stocks in the SPX, number of stocks above 200 moving average. So if you see at the dotted red line, so this is the wire in January 2023, January 30 2023, it hit the high 73, and then at the time SPY is at 412, and it came down up to the 385 level. Similarly, now again the number of stocks about 200 moving average is again 73. So that's the reason I'm thinking SPY can go up to 443. And this is a SPY small cap. So small cap, it rejected here a Fibonacci level of 0.786, like 40.77. It rejected here. It made a hammer candle, and then 2 days followed by two red candles. So if it don't cross the 40.77, then it can easily come to the 38.76. That's where I'm thinking. And this is IWM. So this one hit our target like 197, and then it went down the other day. And I mentioned if it crosses 197, it can go up to 200 based on the candle. So, but 197 it's highly rejected, and it's a weekly candle. You can see the shooting star kind of candle. So I'm expecting it may go down to the 189, but next week, because this week, as I said earlier, this week is OPEX week, so the volume or candles, we may not get the clear picture, or what they really means. We do not know. So next week, early next week, like you can see Monday and Tuesday, then we can take a decision like whether it can cross 200 or not. And this is QQQ. Again, QQQ, it's a weekly chart. So my target is like at the time like 387 I mentioned, and it went up to 387, and it came back to 375. Also, I mentioned if it is above 375, then it can reach 408. Right now, it is exactly at 375 levels. So if it breaks 375 levels, then it can easily come to the 331 or 349 levels. 349 levels is one of the major level, and then 331. And this is Netflix. So Netflix, as I mentioned in my previous video, the top I can see is 500 based on the open interest levels, and the support levels are 422 and 411. So today it came up to 424 or 425, and then it bounced. So because the reason why I said 422 is like there is a gap at that level, and also the Fibonacci level of 0.382. That's the reason I thought it will come, because whenever there is a confluence of support or confluence of the resistance, and as with the gaps, I feel that is a act that acts that price acts as a magnet. So right now it is at 427. If it don't go 444 level soon, then it can easily come to the 400 levels. And this is a Tesla, as I mentioned in my previous video, it can go up to 312, but it went up to 300 and then rejected heavily, and it came down to the 260 levels. So if it don't hold the 257 level is 1.618 Fibonacci level, then it can easily goes to the 244 levels. So 244 level is a very good support. If you see here, it gap up open, and again there is a Twizzler bottom happened, and then it went up. So 244 is one of the major support. If it holds here, that's good for the Tesla. Otherwise, it can easily go to the 217. That's all for today. So this is not a financial advice. This is just for education purpose only. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please share this content if any of your friends are looking for similar kind of content. Please hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification whenever you upload a video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.